guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be doing Big Go Math. So, as you all know, I am doing online school, and obviously I have all my work from school at home. So, I have my Big Go Math book here. But to be honest, I like going in person too. But I like going online a little bit better because if I go in person, I have to wake up early and stuff, and so I have to wake up, if I did online, at 7:15, which is 30 minutes later than I usually wake up, which means 6:45. But I do like both, but I like going online a little bit better. But I also like going in person too. Alright, so anyways about that, let's get back to math. So, remember that day when I cut my bangs really short? And I did this Big Go Math lesson 1.1. But then I didn't realize this, but I just brought it home for that one night, and then I got to bring it back to school. So we only did one lesson, and I did lesson 1.2 on the whiteboard. And we didn't do lesson 1.3 yet. But since all those things got messed up, I thought we could recreate lesson 1.1, 1.2, and we're going to do lesson 1.3 today as well. So right now it is 1:56. We are going to be doing this lesson today, now, and probably 4 o'clock, 4:30ish, I'll do 1.2, and at 6:30, I'll probably do 1.3, because probably after I make my 1.2 lesson, dinner will probably be ready. Alright, so, if you haven't watched my first video, go check it out right now, because then you'll have no idea what I'm talking about for this video. Because I explain all the chapters and stuff and the things that we're going to be doing. So stop what you're doing if you haven't watched part 1 and go watch it right this second, okay? Don't watch this video before, because then it will explain all the details. But be honest, if you have watched it and you don't remember, then just go back to my first video. Okay? Alright, so this is what our Big Go Math book should look like, and you are going to open up to page 13, and there are lots of lessons, and it should say 1.1 on it, so just keep flipping until you see lesson 1.1 at your Big Go Math book. Alright, so this is what your page should look like. So at the top there should be a name line. You're going to put your name up there. Alright, so on the top it says use cubes to show each number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read you a problem, and you have to show the numbers that I used on the box of cubes. As you can see, there can be boxes. Alright. Becca has 8 toy cars. Can she arrange her cars in pairs on a shelf? And what you're going to do is you're going to put the numbers 7 and 10 in these cubes. That's arranging. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to put 7 and 10 in those cube boxes, okay? And then you're going to add those numbers up in the cube boxes. So, what we're going to do is find out which number is an odd number and which one is an even number. So you know how we're going to do that? We're going to do that by which each block has a friend. So as you can see, I already drew them. So each cube has to have a friend. See how these two have friends, these two have friends? But, oh no, this one's alone. It doesn't have a friend with him. Oh no! So if it doesn't have a friend with him, then that means it's an odd number. But if every cube has a friend with it, then that means it's an even number. So that's how we're going to find out if it's an odd or even number. So you have to listen carefully, and this is not what you're going to do. You are not going to just draw 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's not going to make any sense. You are going to draw it by doing as many as are cross, and once you're done, give it a friend. But if not all the cubes have friends, then that means it's an odd number. But if all the cubes have friends, then that means it is an even number. All right? So do you get that lesson? All right, so you're going to turn to page 14. All right, so let's read the model and draw. It says, count out cubes for each number. Make pairs. Even numbers show pairs with no cubes left over. Odd numbers show pairs with 1 cube left over. So, as you can see on your Big Go Math book, on this page, page 14, it asks you if the number is an odd or even number, and it drew it out for you. So how nice are they? But they already wrote it for you, so you have to trace it. So do you think 5 is an odd number or an even number? All right, so on your piece of math book paper, it should have drew 2 columns, so that means so far it's an even number. But look it! Oh no, there's one alone right here. Look, he's super sad. So that means it's an odd number. 5 must be an odd number. All right, so is number 8 even or odd? And make sure you're tracing these if you have your Big Go Math book. But I never explained this to you. If you don't have your Big Go Math book, then try to get a whiteboard or something, even if you're grown-ups. Even if you're big, I still want you to follow along, okay? And maybe after you do this lesson, you could teach your kids every single day after you're done watching this video. You're welcome to do that. I'm fine with anything, okay? All right, so let's read it. 1 pair, that's good. So far it's an even number. 2 pair, 2 pair, 2 pair. So it's an even number, so please trace over the evens. All right, ooh, this one's a good one, number 12. So on the columns, they should have 2 boxes, one up here and one up here. So that's where you're going to put the boxes of columns in. Because if a box has 10 frames in it, can we add 12? No. All right, so look, let's read it. 2 pairs, 2 pairs. So far, so good. 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs. So you can't trace it now. This is on your own. So you have to write even right next to the number 12. All right. So next one. Ooh, this is also a good one. 15. All right, well, let's start seeing. 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs. Oh, no, there's one alone. Not again. Oh, no, I don't like odd numbers because people don't have any friends. All right, so that means 15 must be an odd number. All right, so you did the first column. Now let's go to the share and show. All right, use cubes. Count out the number of cubes. Make pairs, then write even or odd. Alright, so do you think 6 is an even number or odd number? Well, I'm going to go get my whiteboard and let's draw it out. Alright, you guys, it's time to draw it out. So let's draw a column of white. Okay. Of 6 cubes. Okay. So let's start drawing. Alright. You don't have to draw this, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so oh great, I messed up. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, I'm gonna redraw it. I did the bad way, the not good way. All right, let me redraw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. All right, so let's count on my whiteboard. 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs. It's an even number. So on your book, you are going to write even. All right? All right, so next. 2. The number 2 is a little bit easy, but you never know. Let's just draw it out to find out. Okay. So 1, 2. All right, well, 2 pairs, so it's an even number, yay! So you're going to put even on your book. What about the number 4? Is that even or odd? Well, let's find out. Okay. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it's looking good so far. There are 2 pairs, which means it's an even number, which is a good sign. All right, next number, number 7. Let's find out if that's an odd or even number. Oh my God, did I just burp? Oh no, I hate when I burp. It sounds so weird. I'm so sorry if I burped. And if I did, excuse me. I burp probably like once a week. Okay, continue drawing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's find out. 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs. Oh no, there's 1 alone, which means 7 is not an even number. It's an odd number. That stinks. So you're going to have to write odd in your book. I hate to say it. All right, next number. 11. Do you think 11 is odd or even? So I'm going to have to draw 2 boxes for this one. It's a good one. This is a really good one. This is a hard one. 2. Okay, for me to draw especially. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, it's looking good so far. All right, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs. Oh no, in the second box there's a little dot alone. Oh no. So that means you have to write odd in your book. Oh no, that's bad news. But that's okay, let's continue on with our lesson. All right, next, number 3. Let's write it. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's write it. 2 odd too. Alright, number 9. Okay, I hope this isn't odd. Oh no, this might be odd, but it might be even. Oh no. Ooh, so far it's looking so good. So far it's looking so good. Oh no. Okay, let's find out. I'm just gonna finish drawing. Oh no. It's looking good. 2 pairs. 2 pairs. 2 pairs. 2 pairs. Oh man, come on. There's a baby one standing without a friend. So you're going to have to write odd in your book. I'm so sad. Okay, there's only 3 more numbers left. And I really make sure you watch this whole thing. It's good, okay? Okay. So the number 10, I hope it's even. Let's find out. I'm going to make it really wide, since the number 10 is big. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs. Yay, I'm so happy. It's an even number. Yes, you're going to have to write even in your book, which I think is fantastic. Which means every group has a friend. All right, next number 13. Do you think it's even or odd? I hope it's even. Well, let's find out. We have to draw 2 columns. I just realized that. It's going to be a hard one, which I like hard ones. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs. Oh man, there's 1 more left standing by itself. That means it doesn't have a friend. Oh no, that stinks a lot too. Alright, last number, which is the number 14. I hope we make it good and make it even. It's another good one, which I like good ones, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs. Yay, the last one, they made it good for us. I'm so happy. Yay. All right, so that's it for my board. We don't need to use it anymore, I think. All right, so we just completed that page, but we do 4 pages a day, so please turn your eyeballs and look at page 15. So as you could see at the top, it says the On Your Own page. So right now, I would like you to pause the video, and I would like you to complete the On Your Own page. And if you don't have the On Your Own page, then here's what you're going to do. So, right now, if you're a kid watching this video, go bring this straight to your mom right now. No funny business. Bring it to your mom right now, no matter what. Bring it to your mom right now. But if she's working, then just tell her after. I want your mom to watch the video, and then she's gonna do the on your own page with you, okay? So if your child, bring this video to your mom immediately, okay? Because I don't want you guys cheating if you're a kid. I don't want you to just see the answers. But if you're someone else, I would like you to pause the video and do the on your own page, okay? And then you could unpause the video so we could check the answers after, all right? So go get started on the on your own page. All right, so it's time to check your answers. All right, so let's read it. It says, shade in the 10 frames to show the numbers, circle, even, or odd. All right, so is the number 17 even or odd? Well, let's find out. So, 2 pairs, 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 2 pairs. Oh no, 1. That stinks. So that's an odd number. So if you circled odd, you're correct. Is the number 16 even or odd? Well, you would draw it yourself. So if you drew it, let's see. I already drew it. All right, 2 pairs, 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 2 pairs. Yes, it's an even number, so you should have circled even. All right, next number, 19. Is 19 even or odd? Well, like I said, let's find out. 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs. Oh no, there's a little baby waiting, so that means 19 is an odd number. A little baby has no friends. Oh. All right, but maybe this next number will be odd. I mean, even. I don't want it to be odd. All right, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs. Oh, the number is 15, sorry. 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs. What? There's another baby? Are you kidding me? No. So you should have circled odd for the next one. All right, well, hopefully 20 is even. Let's find out. 2 pairs, 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 2 pairs. Yes! So you should have circled even. That's a hard one. All right, 18. Is 18 even or odd? Well, let's find out. 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs. By the way, this is a hard one. 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs, 2 pairs. Yes, so it's even. Woohoo! Yeah. All right. So if you got all those right, you're a rock star. If you didn't get all them right, oh my gosh. If you're getting upset, you're not supposed to get upset. This is the first day of doing Big Go Math. You're not supposed to be getting upset. All right. So, please skip down to 17. All right, which 2 numbers in the box are even numbers? Blank and blank. So, in your Big Go Math book, you should have this square-looking box right here. And there's 4 numbers. 2 of them are odd, 2 of them are even. So you're supposed to circle which numbers do you think are even. So pause the video and do that right now. All right. So the correct answers are 8 and 6. Those are the correct answers. The other ones, 3 and 5, are odd. All right, so at the bottom it says, explain how you know that they are even numbers. And when you're done writing that, then you could share it with your family. All right. And by the way, if you're just watching this video and not following along, that's not what I like. I like when people watch my video and follow along. Even I know some people that are grown-ups that are going to watch this video. So, if you're a grown-up, just please try to get something to write with and follow along with me, okay? All right. So, it says, fill in the blanks to describe the groups of numbers, right, even, or odd. Alright, so what you're going to do is on your Big Go Math book, there should be 2 circles here. 2 circles, as you can see. And so you're going to write blank numbers and blank numbers at the top. So are 19, 13, and 7 are odd numbers or even numbers? Well, we don't have to draw them. Let's find out. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. So that means they're odd numbers. So at the top you are going to write odd. Oh no, my pencil is out. Oh no, there we go. So write odd, and then that means the next column, 4, 12, and 18, must be even numbers. Alright, so the hot problem is down at the bottom. So the hot problem, which means it's hard. So you're going to go, because bacon is hot. So that's why we make you say, because bacon is hot, isn't it? Alright, write each of the following numbers inside the loop that it belongs to. Are you kidding me, you guys? I mean, I don't think this isn't a hot problem. I mean, this is way too easy. I mean, for my opinion. But if you're young, this is not easy for you. I mean, since we're just starting, the hot problems get harder and harder as you go on. I mean, do you see what they mean? See the loops up here? You're supposed to put the correct numbers in the right loop. I mean, you guys are a professional at that right now because I teach you. If you hadn't known that, then this would have been a hot problem. But that's way too easy. So go ahead and figure out the hot problem by yourself and pause the video. Alright, so let's check the answer. So 5 is an odd number, so you should have drew an arrow and put 5 in it. And 6 is an even number, so you should have drew it here to the evens column. 10 is also an even number, so you should have drew it to the even column. 11 is an odd number, so you should have drew it in the odd column. 24 is an even number. And I think in the next lesson we're going to learn about that. Numbers how we tell if it's odd or even by not drawing it out. So that's an even number, so you should have drew it in the evens column. And 25 is an odd number, so you should have drew it in the odds column. Alright, so one more problem, which is test prep. I'm going to go ahead and read it to you. There are an even number of girls and an odd number of boys in Gina's class. Which of these choices could tell about her class? Test prep is like you're gonna take a test, like in the Big Go Math book, and it's for test prepare. It stands for test prepare. So let's go over that. So there are an even number of girls in Gina's class and an odd number of boys. Alright, so please go ahead and fill in your answer. Alright, the answer is 10 girls and 7 boys because 10 is an even number and 7 is an odd number. So if you got that, please be stand. Well, you are correct. Alright, so you are going to go ahead and put away your Big Go Math books, and I will see you again at 4:30ish to do 1.2 and see what 1.2 says that we have to do. All right, I can't wait to see you guys again. I'll see you at 4:30. Bye-bye.